Now when you come to the site, this toolbar is going to have a bunch of things across the top of it, these different pages, like the how-to page, home, about, contact, blog, homepage section, activity, and members. This is going to be an ongoing project. I mean, obviously I've gotten this thing up here pretty fast and it's not completely finished out. The how-to page is where you'll be able to see how to do things like what you're looking at now. I'll figure out what we're going to do about the home, about the contact, and the blog. But the two key pages you probably want to look at now are activity and members. If you click on members, that'll show you who all the members of the site are. And now by selecting on myself, in this case, I can get to my page where I can do assorted things. Right now we are on my home page. I also have a wall where I can write and make posts so other people can view it. I've got my profile where I keep my information. I've got notifications where I'm being told about activity up on the website. I've got messages I can send to and from internally. Then I can view my friends' pages. Forums I haven't set up yet, so we're going to leave that for another day. Photos, I can upload photos and share them. And then I've got my own private settings. Let's look at messages. Once we get this going, this is where you will see messages, either message you've sent or messages you've received. Now let's go to my photo page where I've uploaded photos. And as you can see, I've uploaded these three masterpieces. And now if I want to upload more photos, I simply click on Select Files. Now there are different ways to do it, but the one I'm going to show you is the easiest one, and that's how you'll be uploading photos directly from your computer, because you're going to select files. And after you hit the Select File button, a pop-up window will show up. And here you can maneuver and select just like you would on your computer if you're selecting a file on your computer. In this case, I've opened a pictures folder and I will select homework to upload. And after selecting that photo, now I'll be given a choice of who should see it. In other words, who do we want to have access to your photos? In this case, I chose to let all logged in users see the pic or the photo. And after you identify who you want to have access to the photo, bingo, it shows up. And you can either view all of your uploads, which we were doing earlier, or you can select and create albums. You simply do this by clicking on Albums. And since I've got only a few photos up here, I haven't had the time to create any albums, and I'm not sure whether I will. But anyway, you can create albums here. And now let's go take a look at the wall. Now the wall is where I'll make my own posts, and I can do it whether I'm posting information, BSing, it just depends. We haven't got that much going on yet, but you can also go and check your news feed. And again, this is actually very similar to the activity page, but this is showing what the members are doing. This is showing what all the members are doing on the site.